Hi, this is Supreet, and today we're going to talk about Open API, ChatGPT. So this has been discussed with or by a lot of folks, how AI is evolving, how AI-enabled tools are evolving to make a developer's life easy, consumers, end users' life easy, right? So now there are various advantages of this ChatGPT, wherein you can always chat with the AI-enabled tools and then get the outcome at a very faster rate and an efficient way, right? So now, how do we do that? So I would recommend go to this website, and then you will have an option of clicking on try ChatGPT. Once you click on this, you will be asked to register. If you have Google or Gmail account, you can sign up with Gmail as well. Now, once you sign up, you will get an interface wherein you can key in your queries and get an answer to it. For an example, I have few samples. For the interest of time, I will show you, a few samples of the queries that I've made. So for example, some of the coding examples that I have tried, right? So now my question was how to make HTTP request in JavaScript. You get these kind of responses. You can paste this in your editor and then try it out if this works for you. However, some kind of customization as per your use case has to be made. I just take care of it. The second thing was how do we do API testing using Cypress? So since we are using Cypress in our project as well for API testing, integration testing, and all. This was one simple example that I wanted to check, and this was the response. Again, this is just a sample. You will have to customize as per your use cases. Now, I was also using Elasticsearch, and one such example of an Elasticsearch was to check how do we use paginations in Elasticsearch. And of course, I did have some POC in my system. But then how do we do that using C Sharp? So that was my query. So now this gave me some samples like this. I will have to try it out. This is not yet tried in my local, but then I'll try this and see if this is efficient enough. Now, likewise, we have Angular also in our project, so I thought of checking with some options with Angular as well. So, yeah, I tried some example with Vue as well, Vue.js. Um, so yeah, this is some kind of Vue.js code that we received as a part of response. And then this is an Angular codes. We wanted to see how lazy loading in terms of scroll bars and AG grid works. So this gave me some samples as well. Um, yeah. So now we can try with few more options. Let's say create photo gallery app with React. Let's see if this gives us some examples. So and the good thing about this is this gives us some kind of descriptions and instructions to follow. For example, it is asking us to create React projects in this way. Do npm install and create folder structure, create your project inside it, and then you can always use these examples. Look at this. It is giving you a lot of snippets, right? So this way you can use ChatGPT for your queries, your needs, your use cases. So this seemed interesting to me. Thought of sharing it. Thank you.